Okay, good day. So today we will be talking about rational expressions. So what are rational expressions? These are fractions in which the numerator and the denominator are both polynomials and whose denominator is not equal to 0. So it can be represented by using this symbol or this representation a over b, wherein b is not equal to 0. B is your denominator and hindi dapat mag-equal sa 0. Dahil kapag nag-0 ang denominator, magiging undefined ang iyong rational expression. Now, here are some examples of rational expressions. So let's try to answer these. Determine if the following are rational expression or not. Let's have number 1. 1 is 1 over x, so obviously this is a rational expression. Number 2, x minus 1 over x. Again, this is an example of rational expression. Number 3, x squared plus 2x plus 1 all over x plus 1. Again, this is a rational expression. Okay. Number 4, x all over the square root of x minus 1. This time, this is not a rational expression. Why? Because a polynomial must not have as a square root, or hindi dapat siya magkakaroon ng square root. So as you can see on our denominator, meron siyang square root, so hindi ito pwede. Okay? Next, number 5. X plus 3 all over 1 plus 1 over x. So this is not a rational expression. This one is called complex fraction. And at the same time, kung titignan mo tong 1 over x, dapat ang denominator, or dapat sa polynomial, ang denominator or ang variable ay wala sa denominator. Okay? Next, number 6. We have x raised to negative 2 plus 1 all over x. This is not a rational expression. Why? Kailangan wala tayong negative exponent. Okay? So that's how you determine kung ang given ay rational expression or not. Now, let's talk about the excluded value of a rational expression. So when I say excluded value, these are values that will make the expression undefined. Now, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, magiging undefined ang rational expression if the denominator is 0. So how are we going to do that? Let's have our first example. So, solve for the excluded value or values of the given rational expression. Number 1, the given is 2 over y minus 3. So, all you have to do is to equate the denominator to 0. So, our denominator here is y minus 3. So, the solution will be y minus 3 equals 0. Okay? Then, transpose negative 3 on the other side and apply the additive inverse, or write the additive inverse. So it's like y equals 0, from negative this will become positive na po. Okay? And 0 plus 3 is 3. So meaning to say the excluded value in number 1 is 3. So kailangan daw hindi maging 3 yung value ng y. Kasi 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is our answer. Okay? Next, number 2. We have x minus 6 over 3x plus 12. Now, as I said a while ago, the first thing that you need to do is to equate the denominator to 0. So it's like 3x plus 12 equals 0. Okay? Now, actually, if you're going to notice, we can factor 3x plus 12 by using the common monomial factor. So this can become 3 times the quantity x plus 4 equals 0. Then, we can eliminate or remove 3. How? We can just divide both sides of the equation by 3. So we can cancel this out. So what is left? We have x plus 4 equals 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Then, just like what we did a while ago, we have to separate the variable to the constant so that we can get the excluded value. So, transpose 4 on the other side and write its additive inverse. So, that will be x equals 0 minus 4. Okay, and 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So, therefore, this is the excluded value. Ito yung hindi dapat maging value ng x. Kasi pag negative 4 ang value ng x, magiging 0 ang denominator at yun ay magiging undefined. Okay? Next. Number 3, 1 over x squared minus 9. So, this will be x squared minus 9 equals 0. So, pwede uli natin itong i-factor. This is difference of 2 square. So, you have plus minus. Square root of x square is x. The square root of x square again is x. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 9, 3. Then, we can use the zero product rule. Oops. Okay? So, we're going to equate each factors to 0. So, pag-iwalayin po natin, magiging x plus 3 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. Then, simplify. So, transpose, write the additive inverse. So, magiging 0 minus 3. Dito naman, ganun din. Pero, magiging x equals 0 plus 3. Okay? Now, simplify natin. So, this will become x equals 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Then, dito, 0 plus 3 is positive 3. So, we have 2 excluded value. So, pwede natin sabihin na excluded value dito sa number 3 are positive and negative 3. Okay? Thank you.